Hey, I'm Sean from MyBottomChef. In today's episode, we will be making bacon deviled eggs, a perfect side dish to any holiday meal. Let's get started. Place 6 eggs in a pot of water and place on the stove. Set the burner to high. After the water has started to boil, set the timer for 12 minutes. Preheat a small skillet and set the temperature of the burner to medium-high heat. Cut up a piece of turkey bacon or regular bacon. Add some butter in the skillet. Add in the bacon and cook. Remove the eggs from the stove and drain. Run cool water over the eggs to bring the temperature down. Peel the eggs, then place them in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. Cut the eggs in half. Remove the yolks in a bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. ½ teaspoon of white vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, 1/8 teaspoon salt, freshly ground black pepper. Mix the ingredients together. Add the egg yolk filling with a spoon or piping bag. Add 4 to 5 pieces of bacon per egg half. Add some smoked paprika on each egg half. And there you have it, delicious bacon deviled eggs, perfect for any holiday occasion. See you next time.